Welcome everyone to our next Excel learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see one Excel trick. Suppose you have a data like this and in the blank cell you have to fill 0. So instead of like doing manually one by one, you can use one Excel trick. Just delete this. Select all the data, press Ctrl G, go to a special here, then select the blanks, then click on OK, enter 0 and press Control Enter, not Enter, Control, hold Control and press Enter. Then you can see all the 0 in the blank cells. If you like want to highlight these cells, you can use the color here like this. So by this way you can fill 0 in black cells in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.